Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to talk about the 369 technique for manifestation, and it's essentially a scripting technique that I think is like really fun and exciting. So if you like scripting, I think you might find this technique to be like also really fun and exciting. Or if you just like writing, I love writing and I love scripting, so I feel like this is just a really great technique. But basically I'm going to talk you through like the structure of it, like the popular structure that I've seen people use, and then we'll talk about like how to make it more powerful, and then lastly we'll talk about how to make it like your own and how to make it work for you and your lifestyle and everything like that. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. We are trying to hit 3,000 subscribers on this channel, so yeah, subscribe if you're new. And I'm gonna hop into the video, but before I do, don't forget to hit the like button, and yeah, let's get started. So basically what you're gonna do is in the morning, before you do anything else, you can like meditate beforehand if you want to, but what I recommend doing is before you start writing to actually just like envision what you want and to visualize it and to really feel what it would be like to receive what you want and what you desire, and just like really get into that state of mind of like how would you feel and what would life look like when you have that thing. And then hold that for about 17 seconds, because basically the idea is that if you hold a thought for 17 seconds, it's going to basically kickstart your manifestation and make it happen a lot faster. So do that first. Then what you're going to do is write down what you want to manifest 3 times, and you do this in the morning. And then after that, what you have to do is just completely let go and just like not think about it, not obsess about it, and just kind of forget about it. And then at lunchtime, what you're going to do is you're going to write it again 6 times. And then right before you go to bed at night, you're gonna write it again, but 9 times. And some people recommend doing this for like 21 days in a row, 17 days in a row, and I've heard some people say like 30 days in a row. I think the timing, like how many times you do it, like how many days you do it in a row, is kind of really up to you, because it's more about what makes you feel good and what makes you feel happy and excited about your manifestation, rather than like sticking to a strict rule or a strict number. And we'll talk about that a little bit later on. But basically the idea is that you're going to think about it in the morning and you're going to think about it at night before bed. And I think that's why this is such a popular technique, because when it comes to manifestation, doing it like in the morning when you first wake up or late at night right before you go to bed is just a really powerful way to like amplify it. And of course you can combine this with other techniques like the 17-second techniques, or doing it on like a full moon, something like that, because that always like amplifies your manifestation. And then one of the things that I want to stress is to combine it with gratitude, and you always want to make sure you write in the present tense as well. So you would never write in like the future tense, because you want to really embody that state of mind of when you already have what you want to manifest. You would write something like, I'm so grateful for, I don't know, if you want to manifest like a specific person, then you can say like, I'm so grateful that I got the opportunity to like spend more quality time with this person today, something like that. Or you write something like, I'm so grateful to have this amazing experience with this person today, and you can write like their name. And that's another part of it. People like to get really specific, because when it comes to manifestation, it always just helps to be really specific about what you want. So you can write something like that, but if you want to manifest like, I don't know, like abundance or wealth, then you can write something like, I'm so grateful to have like blank amount in my bank account, like whatever the amount is that you're trying to manifest. And then you can write like why you're so grateful. And this can be like as long as short as you want. Basically, some people think that whatever you write, like the sentence should be at least 17 seconds long, again combining it with the 17-second technique. And then some people don't really think it matters at all, and they think you can just write like a word if you want, as long as when you're writing it, like you feel exactly what you want in great details. Because again, all of these techniques, it all just boils down to getting you to feel a certain way and getting you into a certain state of mind. So of course what you want to manifest should be specific, because that way it happens faster and it just makes everything like go faster. But the word or what the sentence that you're writing, there's like debate on whether it should be like super specific or not. And really it doesn't matter, as long as it makes you feel what you want to feel and how you would feel once you have what you want. So that's really the most important thing. Now personally, some of the things that I love to do is like get a cute little notebook to write it in, and maybe like a cute pen, or just a pen that writes well that you like to write with. I just like to have things that, little things that make me excited about it, that makes me feel happy and bring me joy. Just these little things I feel like get you in the right mindset for manifestation, because I don't know, even something as simple as a cute notebook or a nice pen, Something like that can make you feel like, oh, I'm grateful to have these things to be able to do my manifestation. So if things like that excite you, if you like cute little notebooks, cute pens, if those things like get you in the right mindset, I would definitely recommend like incorporating it. But if you're not like super into writing, let's say, if you prefer to just like type it out on like your laptop or whatever, or to like write it on your iPad, whatever it is, like whatever makes you happy, like whatever gets you in the mood, it doesn't really matter. You can like type it out if you want, you can write it on your like iPad if you want, so you can like make it your screensaver and like look at it all the time. It's really up to you. And I think there are like all these specific like rules and guidelines for like techniques, and I think that's fun. Like I think it helps to have structure if you like structure, if you're someone who enjoys that. But if you're like, I don't have time for this, maybe you just write one single word. But if that word really resonates with you and makes you feel how you feel when you have your manifestation, then that's really all it takes. It's just about what works for you. So I wouldn't necessarily get super hung up on like the technique or the how or the why. And again, just focus on feeling how you would feel once you have it. All right, that's it for today's little video. I hope you liked it. If you did, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and I'll see you next time. Bye.